Students, today we're going to be see actually how we're going to draw the isometric diagram in the mobile application. So for that purpose, whichever problem I am drawing actually, so this problem I have uploaded in the Google Classroom. So you will have to open that image. So after just analyze this particular image, the front view and the top view has been given to us. And after analyzation of this problem, how then you can able to draw this particular diagram in the AutoCAD application over here actually. So first of all, whenever we are drawing the AutoCAD, that is isometric projection in the mobile, we'll have to do a little bit change in the setting over here. So we'll have to click on this arrow. Once we have click on this arrow, then we'll have to go on the setting command over here actually. We'll have to go on the setting command. Then actually over here, we'll have a drafting setting is there in a drafting. In a drafting setting, the object snap is there. In the desktop version, what we are doing actually in the object snap, there is a one command has been there, and in that we are setting the isometric tab over there actually. But that is not been the case in the mobile application. So polar tracking option is there actually. So you have to enable this polar tracking option. Incremental angle you have to set in the mobile screen. So 30 degree of the inclination incremental angle will going to be select, because horizontal line will going to be drawing the 30 degree of a direction. So click on this. So now the setting has been completed. Only the polar tracking you have to enable, and incremental angle is a 30 degree. Now we're going to be see how we can able to draw the diagram. So first of all, download the diagram from the Google Classroom, analyze this diagram, and then you can start in the mobile application. So in this diagram actually, we'll have a total length in the front view. It is a 75 mm. The height of a diagram is 45 mm, and width of a diagram is a 30 mm. So first of all, we're going to be see actually how we can construct the 3D object over here. That is the base rectangle, and then we're going to be start the drawing of this diagram. So click on the draw button over here and select the line command. And now move your cursor on the screen and select one tab over here actually. Okay, fine. Once you have selected this tab, you can see actually at a 30 degree, whenever I am moving my cursor, it is coming something green actually. It is coming green because we have set the polar angle in the mobile application. Okay, so as per our regular method, draw the 100 mm of the line. Draw 100 mm of the line. So click on this length command over here. So wherever this length has been written something 6000, so replace this by your 100 mm over here as per our regular method. Fine, and escape button. So it is very small, so zoom that particular thing, because in the mobile we cannot set the limit over here actually. Fine, so this is your 100 mm. Now take another line and draw the another line of the 100 mm as per our regular method, like this 100 mm. So we're going to select on this length, we're going to write here 100 mm and OK.